Organizations are seeking finance professionals who can navigate complex risks, safeguard investments, and drive strategic growth. The IIM Mumbai Advanced Financial Risk Management Program, offered with UpTop Careers, equips senior finance professionals with the tools to analyze, measure, and manage financial risks in today's dynamic environment. Earn globally recognized expertise in financial risk management, enhancing credibility and career prospects. IIM Mumbai FRM program opens doors to leadership roles in risk, finance, and strategy, making you a trusted decision maker in complex markets. Across 7 intensive modules, you'll master quantitative methods for precise risk assessment, derivatives and their strategic use, emerging AI, ML, fintech, and climate risk market, investment, credit, and operational risk management. Learn from IIM Mumbai faculty, gain real-world frameworks, and develop the expertise to protect your organization's assets and guide strategic decisions. Enhance your profile and become the risk-savvy leader every organization wants. Admissions are now open. Apply today at uptopcareers.com and lead with confidence.